Hi friends, this is a very short video on how to select some good strong stocks for trading using the Amibroker VPA AFL. I have the Amibroker loaded with the VPA AFL. We'll be using the Explorer function to scan for the stocks. Let me start the scan. I'm going to scan for all symbols for the last one day. So I will run the Explorer here. Since the number of stocks are huge and the AFL scans for various conditions including the bearish and the neutral ones, it is going to take about 3 minutes to complete the scan. Now the exploration is complete and we have the complete list of stocks. The list provides the ticker name, the date, the signal and conditions. You can see different colors here. The greenish colors indicate bullishness, the reddish colors indicate bearishness, and the yellow ones indicate alerts. Now we have the list, but this list is not enough to ascertain whether the stocks are likely to move or not. So we need to eyeball each of this chart to check whether these are worth trading or they are likely to move. Let's start looking at different charts. Now let's start looking at individual stocks. Of course, for the long trades we need to look at the bullish stocks, that is the bullish sign ones with dark green color. So let me look at the first stock, which is the Adani Enterprises. So when I click the symbol, the chart is displayed here. Let me move this a little aside. Now if you look at this stock has been moving up with two effort to rise bars on high volume, but this move was defeated here with a down bar again on high volume. Here again slowly the stock started moving up, and the last bar is an effort to move up bar, which is taking out the last high. So it is most likely to move up further. So this is a good candidate we can consider. Now let me look at another stock, Adani Transmission. This one has been moving up already. Maybe it is too risky to enter at this stage. We need to wait for a pullback for a better risk reward ratio. Then let me look at another one. This is APPL. So this one is already taken out the previous price rejection level at 966 and it is in the supply zone. So once this takes out the supply zone, this will go up to 1090. So this is again a good candidate. Once it goes above this, we can enter for a good trade. Now let me look at Apptec. Apptec has been in a down move and it has made a very big move on a very high volume, but we are not sure whether it will continue considering the previous downtrend. So we need to watch it for a couple of sessions to ascertain it's really in the uptrend. Now let me look at AstraZeneca. This has been a downtrend, again a huge move on a huge volume. Again, as it broken the downtrend, is it out of the woods? We do not know. We need to watch it, so we will not consider this. Let me go further down, select some other stock. Century Takes is again a down move, made a smart up move, but we are not sure if it's still out of the woods. Now let me look at Glenmark. was trading in a range. It broke down below the range, and now it has come back into the range. We have a widespread effort to move a bar on increased volume. So this one looks good for a range trade. It can go up to the top of the range, so this could be a good candidate. Let me look at GPIL. This has been already moving up, so maybe we need to wait for a pullback for a better reward risk ratio. Let me look at another Hiddleberg. It is trying to take out the previous rejection level at 239, and we have a small supply zone here. Once it is out of the supply zone, we will see higher levels. Definitely it's a watch list stock. Let me look at Hindalco. Hindalco again has taken out the previous price rejection level at 345. It is in the supply zone, so it is likely to go up at above 360. So this is again a watch list stock. And watch list stock, JSW Steel made a very smart move up. Maybe we need to wait for a pullback for a better trade. So this way you can look at the strong stocks and select as you want, because this list also indicates the weak ones. For example, let me take this one. We see a big effort to move down bar, but the volume is quite less, so it is not we need to watch it whether it is going to really go down or it's just a pullback. Look at Asian Paints. It took out the previous rejection level and also went above the supply zone, but supply zone, it came back into the supply zone. So, and we have a no demand bar, which is a sign of weakness. Maybe it is just testing the supply zone again, so we need to watch this. Once we have a good move above this, we can enter for about a 200 to 300 point move. And let me look at Deepak Fertilizers. Again, it is a no demand bar, so it's a sign of weakness. And you can also look at some of these alerts to choose some stocks for your watch list. Now, for example, this is strength returning here. We had a down move, and then the last two bars are going up, so it is just strength returning, but again need to watch whether it will be a good pullback trade. Again some strength returning here. So this way you can effectively use the Explorer attached to the VPA to arrive at some good strong stocks. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you very much.